Scout, are you ready for the biggest rainbow rally ever?
Let's rumble!
But something strange was about to happen. 3, 2, 1, go! Go, Rumble! Go, Scout!
You'll have to catch me, Rumble! Big wheels coming through!
They're neck and neck! Whoa! The Rainbow Bump Bridge! Watch me zigzag! Woof! Woof! Different wheels, different ways. Wait, something's wrong with the golden star. Huh? Leo, look! The golden star disappeared. The sparkles go into that tunnel. Then the Rainbow Rally just became a rescue mission.
Let's find that star.
Together. Stay together. The golden star must be close. Wait, those aren't lights. Which way should we go? Buddy found the real sparkle trail.
Left it is.
Move! No! It's getting closer.
Follow me!
Follow me! You made it! Look, a piece of the golden star. So the star wasn't stolen, it was broken into pieces. We need 3 more.
Now that looks like a race.
First one to the next clue. Ready, go! 2 paths. Choose your challenge.
Big ramp? That's mine.
Then I'll take the speed tunnel. Meet us on the other side.
Rumble power!
Whoa! Look at Rumble!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Left, right, left!
Great driving, Scout!
I see another clue!
Wait, Rumble! Don't smash them! It's a color puzzle. Red, blue, yellow.
Brains and big wheels.
Both trails are joining.
For now,
We found piece number 2. Mud Mountain. That hill looks slippery.
my big tires are ready.
Let's race. Whoa! Go! Climb, climb, climb! I'm slipping.
Easy on the wheels.
Scout, follow the dry patches. Left, then right.
I see them.
Buddy found something. Golden sparkles.
The next clue.
Stop! The red light means wait.
No racing across yet.
Safety first. Another puzzle. Red means stop. Yellow means wait. And green, go! Bridge is safe.
Let's roll.
Catch me. Slow on the turns. Whoa, bumpy. Big wheels can handle this. Keep control. You've got this. Scout, watch out. My lane.
I've got you.
Teamwork. Thanks, Rumble.
Now let's race.
The finish platform. Who gets there first? Full Rumble. Let's go. Piece number 3. Only one more.
Whoa!
The golden beam leads up there. Rainbow Volcano.
That road goes to the top. Let's roll.
3, 2, 1, go! See you at the top.
Not if I get there first.
Go, go, go! Uh-oh. The road is covered. It's glowing slime.
My tires can cross it.
Wait, look at the signs. Which way is safe? Green means go.
The right path. Follow Lilly.
race you to it.
You're on.
Wait!
I can jump that high.
Be careful, Rumble.
Here I go.
Oh!
Almost. Maybe speed can help.
What's your plan?
Use the spiral ramp.
Try it.
So close.
Rumble can jump, and Scout has speed. Wait a minute. Work together.
Now that's a plan.
Together.
Ready? Ready!
Ready.
Go! Got it! You did it! We did it! The Golden Star!
Rainbow Rally Championship ready.
Final race? The Golden Stack! And the race can continue!
Championship time. Let's race.
Racers ready? Ready! 3, 2, 1, go! Catch me, Rumble!
I'm coming.
Scout is ahead! Here comes Rumble! Rainbow ramp!
Let's fly.
Together! Jump! Red! Blue! Yellow! The finish is ahead! Who will win?
Almost there. Not so fast.
Rumble is catching up! This is close! Last challenge! Stay smooth!
Big wheels ready.
Go, go, go! Here they come! Rumble! Scout!
Too close to call.
Who won? Photo finish!
Was it me or me? The winner is Scout.
I won?
Great race, buddy. You almost had me.
What a finish! Scout, come on up! Rainbow Rally Champion!
Wow. Thank you.
You earned it.
Wait! We have another award! For me? The Golden Teamwork Medal.
For helping everyone. Thanks, friends.
Scout was super speedy. Rumble had giant wheels.
We were different.
But both awesome.
How many flags? Let's count. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 4 flags! What an amazing race! And what an adventure!
Ready to celebrate? Ready to celebrate? Let's rumble!
Music? Music! Music!
Start your engines, here we go! Round the track, but safe and slow. Big wheels, fast wheels, side by side. Rainbow Rally, what a ride! Try your best and help your crew. Friends can make big dreams come true. Win or lose, we cheer and say, hip hooray for race day!
What did we learn today? Always try your best.
Race safely and help your friends.
And help your friends.
Thanks for racing with us. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye, friends. Wait, what's that? It's glowing. Is that an egg? A dragon egg? Subscribe to Little Toons TV. Bye-bye.